So hi everyone, Big Bang Vika here. So we are in day 3 now and we are in Patni Top. I'll show you the view from my room. You will go crazy looking at it. It is so beautiful. Just woke up to this, had a good shower. Our packing and everything is done. We are going from Patni Top to Sonamarg via Srinagar. So it is roughly around 270 to 300 kilometers. We'll see how it is. So hi everyone, we are starting with day 3 and it has already rained a little, and so we are all wearing our rain gears and everything. Yeah, so Mahindra has some people around Srinagar because there is a curfew today and they are making sure to take the updates and keep everyone safe. So that's a really neat thing that they are doing. Everyone here are feeling secure, so the ride has officially started today again. Feeling like I'm in Switzerland or something. Although I haven't been to Switzerland, but I've seen videos. Someday I wanna go and ride in Switzerland as well. So many dreams, dude. But let me finish this dream right first. I just let everyone go in the front. There are few people in the back. I just wanted to be alone on this road, enjoy the view, you know, not have any distractions or anything, because the drop here is more than 250 feet. Yesterday the treacherous road that we came in, the same road is continuing towards Srinagar now. But the tar here is really good. Yesterday it was all potholes and dust, but today it's fine. It's only roads. Wow, look at that. One mountain after the other, one mountain after the other, each one bigger than the next. Oh my god, just look at this. Look at this, man. We are at such a big height. You see all the roads. Those are the roads that we came in just now, you know, or those are the roads with which we climbed. As far as the eye can see, the view gets better and better. We have covered close to 40 kilometers from Patni Top, and we just stopped here on this bridge. It is actually shaking whenever a lorry or something goes by, and I heard that this river's, its name is Ramban Janab. Its name is Ramban Janab. Man, this is really good. Oh my god, we are so high. The drop here is really huge, and see, in few places there are no boulders. Look at this right here. This will show you the drop. Wow. Leave the right lane, man. When you're going down, and on the left lane you feel the thrill. Yeah, we are doing slower speeds because if you do high speed here and if you miss a turn, gone. You know, at the same time the view is so beautiful and mesmerizing. You have to keep your concentration straight. We are done with 62 kilometers so far and still 200 kilometers to go. We have finally climbed down the Patni Top hairpins. Damn, it was so beautiful. We are done with 80 kilometers so far, and now we have entered some town here. Finally I'm seeing a lot of people here, man. In between, for last close to 50 kilometers I was all alone, enjoying the view. Sir, ये जगह का नाम क्या है? बादीहाल. यहाँ से जवाहर टनल कितना दूर है? 16 किलोमीटर. ठीक है, thank you भैया. So I've joined the group again. They were all going really slow here because there was a roadblock or something, and so finally I could catch them up. Look at that, man. Beautiful. we just passed Jawahar Tunnel and we have come on the other side. The thing is, the army people saw so many cameras. They clearly told us no one has to switch on the camera and record Jawahar Tunnel. So, and we thought we'll strictly obey it because you never know what kind of trouble you might get into. So that's the reason I have not recorded it. My dream of riding through Jawahar Tunnel is done. Yes. Damn it, that was a close call. Damn, I did not see that bus at all. So right now we are at a place called Titanic Viewpoint. We have stopped here.
Yeah, so we are here at Titanic Point, and this is where we had some omelets and Maggie. He made sure to serve for more than 25 people, and we had lots of fun because the taste was really nice and there were so many other condiments that was available. It was really good. We spent close to 2 hours here. That's okay, it's time well spent because for the last 2 hours I believe we have been continuously riding, and this is how the view is.
Boys, get up, let's go!
As you see here, we are exactly 500 kilometers away from Leh Ladakh and we are 68 kilometers away from Srinagar. What the hell? Why did he do that? Damn it, we have to be careful, dude. The thing is, we have had so many different close calls during this ride or before. It has become an experience to use the front brakes and not panic. Oh, that's why you should not go behind a car. Bhaiya, aage no, aage. Yeah. So we are exactly 134 kilometers from Sonamag and 52 kilometers from Srinagar. There is a lot of traffic here, so that's why the army people are making sure to handle us. Oh. What is this? There is some curfew near Srinagar, and so I believe that's why this tension around. So we have entered Srinagar now, and now is the time we have to be very, very careful. See, right in front of us again there is J&K police. Oh, look at this to your left, man. Boat houses in Srinagar.
So here we are in Srinagar near Dal Lake. You know, the view here is beautiful, man. It's so nice. So we have stopped here for a couple of minutes. So I've heard that, you know, this Dal Lake is so big that you can spend almost a day here. This is not just, this is just a tip of the iceberg that you're seeing here. Very cool. So here I was speaking to one of the guys who own a houseboat here. So he was saying that the most luxurious one is around 1.5 crores. Wow, 1.5 crores. यहाँ पर crime patrol वाली लड़की है.
Hi.
I told you, right? The Dal Lake is pretty huge, and you see that here. So good. In front of me are the two most experienced riders. One is Sharat Chennai, and the other one is Girish. He's from Bike India, by the way, Bike India magazine. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this, dude. Such a wonderful experience riding with these two, man. There is no sense of panic when you're riding with people like this. You can trust your life in their hands, that's for sure. Oh, this is beautiful. This is really, really beautiful. Look at that. The sunset. This is just the start. Don't know what this is. Don't know what has happened here.
Don't shoot, don't shoot.
Yeah. The cops of Jammu Kashmir just came in and rammed into that dude, and they all ran with AK-47s in their hand. Fuck, this is scary, guys. This is really scary. Now I'm in a mode where I simply want to safely reach Sonmarg, man. I simply want to safely reach Sonmarg. See, for us South Indians, right, all these things are very, very, very rare. I cannot stress the point as to how rare this is. We don't even see the local cops carry a gun. Here it is too much. You see there in the front. Rain clouds, damn it. We are around 45 kilometers away from Sonmarg. It is starting to rain. And so while we are gearing up, a couple of people like this.
Ow! That bloody hurt!
Yeah, so my helmet is good. So look at this girl, man. What the hell is this? This is the funniest thing that I've seen, dude, today. So it's almost 8 o'clock. I cannot shout anymore because I'm wearing thermals and it's too windy. Also it's raining. So we are taking it very slow and we are going to our hotel. I finally reached my hotel. लाइट तो ऑन कर दो. We couldn't see anything and I believe my bike is broken. I hope they can fix the bike by morning, dude. Obviously they'll fix it. I'm glad that I've got this room already. Have a good night, guys. Bye bye. Day 3 is done.